Hey guys, this is April 23rd of 2021. I'm doing a rapid fire of some of the stocks that I have. Just a quick update for those that are invested in these also. So this is just a little rapid fire, quick update, couple of minutes, just to show you what I'm seeing, where we at, and we'll take it from there. This is a yearly, as you can see. MacDaddy was giving us that there was a possible change in trend coming up. Or buying pressure, slowing down. You could either say slowing down, buying pressure, or just kind of stabilizing. And it was giving it at 2017. The actual buying signal came from the PPS this year on the yearly. So just wanted to show you that as an update for the URA ETF. Let's go into the weekly. As you can see, we're almost getting out of the cloud. It gets a little crazy when it's in the cloud. You can see it's kind of flattening out here on the MacDaddy, but overall it's good above the linear regression channel, so they're showing a lot of strength, actually, a lot of strength on the monthly. At the buy signal here in December, and everything has been just kind of trending, and we're about to get out of the cloud. And once you get out of the cloud, you're going to see God. No, I'm joking. But it's looking good overall. You know, even before we go there, let's look at some key levels that we need to look at because it's not showing in the chart. So for the future, this is going to be a strong level, that 2480-ish level, and up further up there. But so far, we haven't gone up there yet. That's going to be a strong level. All right, let's go into the weekly. And then you see in the weekly, everything is look good, above the 50, above the 100. This one looks actually a little more stronger than Cameco. The whole screen looking good. The cloud is it's pointing up. It's positive. You're above the cloud on the weekly. Everything looks good. Very choppy here. You got negative signal going, from March 22. The high was here, 2095. You're at the weekly PP support right now. We close this. Linear regression is pointing up. So, you almost hit the target of R1 on the weekly, which was at 21, 2119. Almost got up there, but then it failed. And then on the sequential count, you hit 9 on the weekly, and that was kind of like pulling back. But that's overall still looks good. Everything looks good here in this chart. Go into the daily. You can see that now we're getting closer to the cloud. We've just kind of been now in a sideways range, consolidating below the 20, battling out at the 50 and trying to avoid the cloud. The cloud hasn't turned negative yet. You're at this linear regression channel right here. The support is going to be here. Value area high is going to be here. So all this area down here is going to be all support. 1756 over here. This is a value area high is going to be support. 1774. You got the S2 right here, 1854, and you're battling out at the monthly PP, which is at 1898. So just kind of just chopping back and forth. I mean, it's not doing too great. The mobile band is negative. It's trending kind of sideways to lower. It's a little weaker, but it looks like maybe it's forming kind of like a base, and now we could probably just start kind of turning up. But we need to get above the 50, and we need to get positive on the mobile and on the 20. Go to the 4-hour. This is shorter time frame. You can see that now we're below the cloud. Just kind of going sideways. Get some pops, but then it pulls back in. So it's just kind of choppy, going erratic here. Below the 20, the 50, the 100. Yeah, and you're at the point of control, that I don't know if you can see it, that blue line, that's the point of control. 1898 within 90 days. This is the value area high. So this is showing realistically what's been going on. The value area high is here, the point of control where everybody's, trading and fighting. And this is where the most volume is going on right here, or where the battle is, the line in the sand. And then the value area low is all the way down here, 1663. So you can see when I open it up, it's just going back and forth. It's just oscillating and down, up, down. Looks like maybe now we're going to go up. I need to look at some cycle works on this one. Maybe do an update on that. And this is the 1 hour. Just nothing's really changed. So recapping back to the daily, if it ever pops up. The weekly looks good, monthly looks great, yearly great. This is where we just battling out. As long as we can stay above and get out of this, not get in the cloud, I think things are going to be looking good for URA.